Good morning, and it's day 2 in Texas. We are getting ready to go to have breakfast because yes, we are eating all the time, but like we're French, that's why. And so we found this very cute place called, what's the name of the place? That it's 5 minutes away.
Coffee breakfast.
Something coffee. Okay, yeah, we already forgot the name, but like that's okay. It is called. It is not called Corner Bakery Coffee, and we're gonna get breakfast there, and then we are going to visit 2 different parks around Houston, and then we're gonna head to San Antonio. This is where we are going to have lunch today. It's between Houston and San Antonio. It's called Columbus, and I found that place called DJI Mavic Air Famous Barbecue, and the inside is like pretty amazing. I can't wait to show you that because it's gonna be so much fun. So we just had lunch in this little place over there that is called DJI Mavic Air Barbecue. It's like it's a very tiny restaurant on the side of the road. It was good. She had like the chicken that was kind of
Very good.
chubby. That was a chubby chicken.
Little bit fatty chicken.
Yeah, but no, that was good. That was good.
Make a job.
Like very like American food in an American place in the middle of America. So far so good.